Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video around the Moodle 5.2. So in this video we'll see what all the enhancements do we have in Moodle 4.2, sorry 5.2 around the dashboard. Okay, so the first thing we'll have the set default background image for new design. So earlier with the default Moodle theme, this feature was not available to set up with the background image for the login page. Okay, so now I'm quickly coming here. So you can try at your end. If you go to and wave and you will find the Moodle demo. If you search here, you'll come find this one, the Moodle demo, and you'll try either of one. Okay, so there may be delay in upgrading this instance, but I have to check this one. This is upgraded to 5.2. So if I click here and login page, I can see the change look here. Okay, so this is the enhancement you see here, one of the enhancement. So now login will have option. You can have the background, this background image, the left side and the right side of your phone. Okay, so this is the first change to notice. Clear? So this is done. So background image will have the option here. Now, once I log in and you see here the next around the login page settings. So earlier this setting was with the authentication, but now they have made this login space setting in separate. Okay, now let me come to uh, the 5.1 first and see how earlier it was. Okay, so if I search here the logins, and you will find so login settings. Let me come to that. Yeah, so this is the manage authentication. If I click here, I'll find the login settings options here. Okay, so these are the login related settings. So login where this auto focus login form. So earlier you see it is this is 5.1. So under manage authentication, you had option to do setting around the login page. But with Moodle 5.2, we'll have the options here. So the cleanup login page settings. So it's the separate page we'll have here. So under general tab, once you log in with the admin and under login admin login area within general, if you come up here, scroll down a bit, you'll find login option. So I think it is restricted, a bit of restriction here. So that is why it is not appearing in my case, but yeah, it will appear there. Okay, so login page setting will have here, so you can go to and let me open that. Okay, so this is the ticket basically, and under that you will also find the screens. So earlier, yeah, so this is the setting you find here under general. The login setting will appear somewhere around this one. Okay, so this site will appear, and use that say the login setting. So under that you will have all these features like the first login. You'll have to enable disable self registration. By default, it remain disable, and there are other things like guest login button. So by default you see it is hidden now, so earlier it was. So we'll have to manually go and need to disable that one, otherwise by default it appears there. So now you see the no guest login button is appearing because that is something hidden in 5.2 model default setup. Okay, so clear. So separate options we'll have here, and this is one you can see. Yeah. Now coming back to, so you see here how, not how. So this is the first enhancement, and I will also come up with the how to set up that one in the latter, or in a different. Only will cover the video around the login page. Then we'll come to that. So now you see this is separate. Now update login page design. Yeah, of course you see here it's a change design of the login page. And if you come to the ticket, you'll find like the details will have here what all the changes have been made through this ticket. A new install disable homepage. Yes. So now the homepage will be disable, new installs, disable my courses. So from the top menu, these buttons will be disable my home and this. So if I come to see this, sorry. So login page design. What did it say? Verify the split screen layout. The left panel you see the blue background with welcome copy plus stats. Right panel white text with the login form. Okay, so this is, and this is the right side. Title welcome to Moodle. Yeah, whatever you want, you can say welcome back. It is saying log into this. You are the part of global community. Somewhere that also will appear, and you see it's AI generated image. Uh, yeah, heading welcome back. Login to the site. This for password. Full width logo in button. Yeah, this one is full width button coming. Full width login button. So these are the thing have been changed. Okay, so configuration authentication. Earlier it was a part of authentication, but now you see site admin, general, then login settings will appear. Set this to email based registration. This. So if we want to enable this one, yes, we'll have to make it so. Clear. So closing this one. Now this is the ticket disable home page. What is this? So new install disable my home page. Enable home to site appearances navigation. This. So this is how you can enable. So this is basically the navigation menu on top. Will you can enable and disable. So by default, it both this home remains disable. Okay. So it is saying disable. So same way my courses remain disable. Uh, so both home, my home, and my courses from the top menu navigation. This one, my home and my courses, home and my courses will not appear by default. So once we'll have to allow, like we'll check here, come back under the settings, then it will start appearing if required in your case. New install enable password visibility option in small and by default. Yes. So the password visibility option will have here this one. Okay. In small. So earlier one, let me come to that. There are no option to see that one. And here you see it will have here. So this is 5.1. It's just open one. But here, in case you want to go and visit the password, you can click here. Okay. So this is the one change. And this is by default. New install enable email login by default. Yes. So login with email. So login option, if you come to see that option, you'll find even the user can log in with you email ID. By default, it remains the username up to 5.1, but now they have by default enable the email options as well. You see here. So this new Okay, so you see this one already covered. New install enable the email login by default. Now the authentication. So new installs guest login button disable by default. So with the this is 5.1. So earlier you have option here the guest exist as a guest, and this remains enable by default in 5.1. But from now 5.2 by default that will be disable. Okay, so guest login will be disable by default in Moodle 5.2. So new install force login by default. Yes. So this is another change here. So once someone visit your LMS URL, so now it will be redirected to the login page rather than the home page before the login. Why? Because that is the force by default. Okay, so if you install new Moodle, so by default it will go to the login. Even you have set up some of your home pages that will bypass, and it will ask to login first, then it will visit on that page. Okay, so this is the change. So earlier it was not by default enable, but yeah, now if you install the new version, 5.2, it will be forcing you to log in to access anything. Now, so this is block level change. So course overview, add persistent, create images courses. So if I come to see this link of the ADI, and so all these three, the bottom one are from the block enhancement. So this is block. So new install calendar local location, new installs, add course overview block to dashboard. Okay, so course overview block by default will be added on your dashboard when you install the fresh 5.2. So we install the fresh calendar block location, maybe the change. We'll see that one. Now coming to this one. Sorry. The course overview and persistent. So this is I'm going to check what it is. So currently the course overview block, the blocks my overview only display the call to action to manage courses and category and create a course when the user did not have access to any courses. Okay, so this one you see the course overview empty view with no courses appear. So even the courses are there, but what they change, the cta disappear when courses are available. So these options will be disappear when courses are started appearing here. Okay, so the course overview look like this is the default one, but when the courses start appearing, those option of creating and managing category gets disappear here from the 5 point. It start disappearing 5.1. However, to my courses page has persistentity even when there is a course available to the top. So now you see here you have manage courses and the course create course option. Okay, so this is 5.1. So I'm coming. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, so this is 5.1. If I come to see the my courses, so this is course overview, and you see this appears like this. Okay, so manage and this appears. Now with the change introduced by this one, especially this important, the CTS should also work display correctly regardless of the block is in the center column or the right hand. Okay, so if you directly jump over the screen, so this is something, this is category 1 created, this is category. Okay, it goes. Okay, so now you see here it appears like this, the category 1. So this is the older thing, it's appearing. Okay, yes. So this is the change. So under the complete course overview remains within this block. So earlier you see it look appear like it's outside of this, but now the boundary has been given in the way it looks like within the part of this course overview. Okay, so maybe this change, but yeah, I will check once I install the phrase one. Okay, so this is 5.1 screen again. Cool. Got it. So this is the change you see here. Now the new install calendar blocks location, what it says. So if I come to see this ticket, and I'm going to log in with 5.2. Yeah. So course overview, add person. Oh, and this new install calendar block location. Okay. So if I come to dashboard, so this is the calendar block. Okay. So move the calendar block from the center column to my dashboard. This page to right hand side drawer. Okay. So now they have moved earlier the calendar visibility within this one, but now if you install the place one, it appears like this, the right side. Okay. So at the right side, it will start appearing like just I move to right. So this is the right side will appear from the new install. Okay. So also the existing on install upgrade side should keep their default setting. What? Sorry, the default setting. For example, you just see here. This is just upgraded one, not the fresh install. So it was appearing here. Okay. So here it was appearing. But now if you install the phrase, it will be the right side. Got it? So if you see the some of the screens here, you'll find like this. Okay, so it's the on the right side you can see this. Similarly, we have a new install add course overview block to dashboard. If I come to see this ticket, we can also see some of the gens here. And this one we will also talk. So authentication update MFA page, I'm going to open this too. So new install add course overview block to dashboard. Quite slow. Add a course overview block to the first top position in their center column. Okay. So now the course overview you see here. So this thing appear by default on the top center. Okay. So the priority will be the first priority. It will appear on the dashboard. That will be the course overview. Got it? And this is just for the new setup. So for the already existing, if you update, it will be on their position. Okay. So for you see here, this is older one. This is maybe the new one. Okay. So this is how we have cover everything except this one. So now let me check that one too. So authentication upgrade MFA page. So once is complete. Okay. SMTP authentication app, Google authentication, AWS security key. So I will cover this one in a separate because this will take time so that to you to understand what is basically this one. So I will cover it in a separate video. This one. So this is around the authentication. Except this, I have covered everything. Whatever is improved around the dashboard and the login page. Okay, so this is all from this video. I will keep covering all the upgrade in the coming video. So please be